Hi, hello dear friends. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the turn signal on your fender. We will work with Toyota. See here. So the proper way is to push this lamp towards the front of your car. Remember, this is no tool job. So this is a front wheel. Let me show you how to properly make this job. Okay, now I'm pushing this lamp towards the front of the car and pull towards me. So you will see this is a special clip on the front side of the lamp. Let me put it back. So push towards the front of your car and pull it towards you. So you will free up this lip here to get out of the car. So now you can easily remove the bulb part from your lamp and replace your bulb to the new one. As you can see, I have already replaced this bulb, incandescent bulb, to the LED bulb. Just remember, when you will put the LED lamp, it has the polarity. So before closing this thing completely, you should turn your turn signal on or hazard signal on to check if the bulb will light up. If will not, you just turn it in the socket to the 180 degrees around the axis, and it will show it will light up. This one is, broken. I will replace it soon with a new modern light, and I will show you on the next video how it will appear. Now here we have another Toyota, and I will show you again that this job is always done the same way on a Toyota and most other modern cars. So just push the lamp towards the front of your car and pull it back towards you. See, it comes out very easy, and you can do whatever you want. You can replace a broken lamp, you can replace the burnt out bulb, whatever you want. Now there are two ways to put this lamp back. First, you can do the same thing backwards. So put the front side, push and leave it. But the best way is to make this way. First you put the teeth to the car, then observe the gasket and simply push the front side. You hear this click? This is okay, so you cannot now remove this lamp. So this is it, dear friends.